Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about harmonics and resonant frequency. So resonant frequency is termed the natural frequency, and this is the special frequency at which the sound wave's amplitude is going to get larger, which means that the sound is going to get louder just because the string or the pipe instrument is playing a tune at the natural frequency. And in order to find this, we use the equation velocity equals frequency times wavelength. Now what we want is the frequency, so we take the velocity of the sound and divide that by the wavelength. So harmonics are basically an extension of resonant frequencies. They're basically like certain wavelengths or certain frequencies of sound that the instrument is meant to create. And these, like the set of